Firstly, I will show you the coffee. So this is the kind of Robusta coffee. Animal
The most
from
expensive
here.
coffee in the world. Like this.
He does it all.
Yeah, they eat the coffee beans, they shit, poop it out, and then they collect it, they clean it, and it's the most expensive coffee in the world.
This is the poo from animal. It looks like peanut with chocolate.
But that's shit.
Yeah. And then this is the firstly we roasting the beans until getting a dark color, and after that we do pounding.
Go around.
Looking for the poo. That's a special job actually.
Yes. This is where the price comes from, right? Because it's a lot of labor.
Yeah.
Difficult to get. Rosella tea. This combination coffee with cacao. This is the mangosteen tea. Have you been to coffee plantation before?
No.
Never.
First one. Now I will a bit explain to you about what we have in this plantation. Firstly, I will show you the coffee. So this is the kind of Robusta coffee. Yeah, this is the flower. So this is the ripe coffee bean. Yeah, and this is the coffee seed. Yeah, you can hold this.
Wow.
It just needs to be roasted, right?
Yes.
Het is zo gezellig.
Nothing smell.
Yeah.
Also das sind die Pflanzen.
Also the different
Und hier
from the size of the Arabica smaller and this is the Robusta.
sind die Kaffeebohnen.
For the taste, this one the Robusta is stronger than than the Arabica. But this is the expensive one, the Arabica coffee.
And this is chocolate, right?
Yeah. Other than coffee, also we have cacao. Yeah. This is the one for making chocolate. Yeah, and when you open, there are many seeds inside.
Also diese hier sind fast reif.
We have many forms of
Also die Bohnen, die wir eben gesehen haben, die werden noch geröstet. Und dadurch kommt dann der Geschmack und der Geruch. Jetzt hat es einfach nach Pflanze gerochen.
Here you can see the process. Yeah, how we make it the coffee.
Also die Kühe werden also die nutzen die Kühe zum Düngern, weil die keine Chemikalien nutzen wollen. Wenn ich es richtig verstanden habe. Entspannt.
And this is the animal. Yeah, we call Luwak.
Oh,
We call them Luwak.
the expensive coffee.
Yes. Luwak coffee. The one from the poo. This animal.
And you also make it here.
Yes. But in here we keep them just for display. So actually we get the fruit from the forest, from the wild one.
And what do you do with it? With the poop?
We dry first and then wash many times until clean. And you can see the process also. Animal
The most
from
expensive
here.
coffee in the world. Like this.
He does it all.
Yeah, they eat the coffee beans, they shit, poop it out, and then they collect it, they clean it, and it's the most expensive coffee in the world.
And they are nocturnal animal.
Yeah,
So they're sleeping.
They sleep during the day and are active during the night. Right?
And after 3 weeks, we let them go and then trap the new one. We rotate them. So they are not in long time, not staying long time in the cage. Just 3 weeks and then go back to the wild. This is the poo from animal. This one.
Vom Luwak.
Yeah, from the Luwak. Yeah, look like this. But this is the dry one, so don't worry, it doesn't smell like poop. It looks like peanut with chocolate.
But that's shit.
Yeah. And then this is the second step. We wash with hot water, become clean. Sorry. And then after we wash, we peel the layer to get the clean seed inside. Yeah, so don't worry when you drink, because actually the seed inside is never touched to the poo. Yeah, you can see there is shell
okay.
to protect the seed. And then become like this. The next step we have to roast it, just same like any other coffee. You can see the difference. This is the one from the plant. This is the one from animal. Do you know this fruit? This is the mangosteen, the tropical fruit. Also used for the tea.
Which one is this? From the plant?
Today we process the one from the plant, the robusta coffee. So firstly we roasting the beans until getting a dark color, and after that we do pounding. So this is the traditional way to make coffee with ginseng roots. This tea from lemongrass. This coconut coffee, and this ginger tea. This is the vanilla coffee. This rosella tea. And this combination coffee with cacao. This is the mangosteen tea. This lemon. This is the turmeric tea. Okay, so all of the tea already mixed with honey for the sweetness, and then all of the coffee we mix with soya milk and brown sugar.
Also der Kollege hat sich diesen Luwak Coffee bestellt, quasi der ausgeschissen wird.
Sweetness, you can use the brown one, brown sugar.
Soll wohl der teuerste Kaffee der Welt sein, aber ich kenne mich nicht aus. Alles einmal probiert und alles schmeckt irgendwie geil.
This one. Yeah.
Obwohl ich eigentlich keinen Kaffee trinke, hat alles geil geschmeckt. Aber hier war auch zum Beispiel Kakao, hier noch Tees, Vanillekaffee, Kokosnusskaffee, Ginger Tea, Ginger Kaffee, alles dabei.
Go around.
Looking for the food. Special job actually.
Yes. This is where the price comes from, right? Because it's a lot of labor.
Yeah.
Difficult to get.
Okay.
So that's why the price is super expensive.
What is price for, let's say, 100 gram?
For the Luwak,
Yeah.
450,000 rupees for the powder.
But for what quantity? Like
100 gram.
100 grams.
And for the beans, 410,000 rupees for 100
Also
gram.
30 Euro für 100 Gramm. Ja, aber gut, dafür haben die auch Poolhunter. Also die müssen ja auch Jobs bezahlen.
Aber auch, also erstmal das Tier zu suchen, zu fangen, dann auch das ganze Rösten und so.
Jetzt bin ich zurück im Hotel. Ich check gleich aus, fahr weiter nach Canggu und ab jetzt genießen wir die letzten Tage komplett am Strand. See you